Okay, this is the western side of Zamboanga City. We're seeing now, I'm not sure if this is Labuan, San Ramon, maraming barko, o Talisayan o Recodo, maraming fishing boats. So, in 10 minutes,
landing station.
Landing station na, tinatawag na yung mga cabin crew. Buildings, tinatayo ron. So eto na, few minutes, 10 minutes, touchdown na. Andito na yung City Hardware. Dami pang bakanteng lupa dito sa Zamboanga. Hindi pa crowded ang place. Relatively peaceful na ngayon, unlike before. Maraming bad elements. So eto na. So you will hear the touchdown, no? Tingnan natin kung smooth. So from the north ang landing. Eto na, in 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touchdown. Okay, yan ang touchdown. Very smooth touchdown. Yan daw ang pinakamahirap sa piloto, yung paano gawin yung smooth na smooth, yung walang rough ang paglapag ng gulong. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zamboanga City.